hurt, Stella.
Not part of the bargain. Oh. Happy now, Mother? Only fell 3 times. Look at me.
It was nice. Family time, exercise, outdoors. What's not to like?
Being able to breathe, perhaps?
And being able to, go.
Okay, I did it. So now I can get ready and go to the cinema. A deal's a deal, right? Huh? There's something wrong with the door. I can't open it.
Huh?
What? But you have to. I really need to go. Mr. P, we're home. You need to open the door.
There might be a slight problem.
What problem?
I gave Mr. P the afternoon off.
You did what?
It was the Tortoise Butlers Conference. They only hold it once a century.
A whole afternoon off. Oh, the eons of time, the endless possibilities. But the conference, it is.
I think it's locked.
Well, unlock it then. Where's your key?
I haven't got a key. I've never had a key. Mr. P always opens the door for me, usually before I even ring the bell. Have you got a key?
Of course not. But let's not make a drama out of a molehill. We can wait out here until he returns. Such a lovely day.
Your mother's right. We could have a picnic. Pizza outside. What do you say, girls?
Yes.
No! I'm sweaty and muddy and I want to go to the movies. No normal family would ever go out without a key.
I'll go get us some pizza.
I'll set up the sun chairs.
What about Snowy?
Snowy doesn't have a key either. She's a bunny. Snowy! 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 I know you're in there! Open the door! It always looks so easy in the movies. Aha! When you get to the window, just crawl in. I've got you.
Stella, what are you doing?
Shh! Keep it down, Molly.
I can't help it. The rope is squeezing me and I need to.
What on earth is going on? What is that awful noise?
We forgot the key. So now we're trying to get in because I really need to go to the bath.
Shh! Don't tell her. She'll just make fun of us forever. Oh, the royals don't know how to use a key. Sure, they can't open a door without their butler.
Oh, the royals don't even know how to open a door. Well, why don't you use...
School project, Mrs. Kaufman, about gravity, like Newton and the apple. Whoa.
What's with all the screaming out here? I can't even hear my own postings.
No! We haven't got a key and I need the bathroom. And Stella's got a date.
It's not a date.
Whatever.
Honestly, and none of you even thought of simply ringing the doorbell to summon Mr. P.
It's his day off.
But my phone's in there. No!